Hi and welcome back to today's morning report on Wednesday the 10th of June with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Let's move on to cable now, and we have just had out the UK industrial production numbers and they were better than expected. They beat expectations of 0.6% for the year, rising to 1.2%. That should be supportive of cable. Cable has been pretty much reacting strongly to the dollar weakness today. So dollar weakness has been helping to pull cable higher. Although, interestingly enough, we have broken out above the 54.40 reaction high on the 4th of June. The peak of 54.70 has just rolled over, and we're now we're now just about 40 pips below that, and just gradually falling away. Even though we've had that UK better data out, just beginning to just roll over. I still think this is playing out as part of this correction phase. I see that lower high that we saw at 57 figure, and I still see that this rebound that we're going to see another lower high. We've got this near-term rebound at the moment. Yes, you've had two strong candles in a row, sort of closing towards the highs of the day in the last couple of days, so that's a positive. But I'd be watching out for today's candle, because I'm not convinced that this is going to be a strong move. However, near term, yes, you have had this sort of move above 54.70. This is the hourly chart. If I zoom out, you can see 54.70 is 54.40 is a big level, and you've had a move towards that, but it certainly hasn't yet confirmed that breakout, I wouldn't say, considering you've had the intraday move and then just back straight out back inside it. Also, the momentum indicators are not all that great. See, the stochastics already rolled over, and RSI sort of on the hourly chart failing around that 70 point. You would want to see the RSI pushing strongly higher, I think well above 70 on the hourly chart, to suggest that you've got really the bulls are backing this momentum, but it doesn't look to be playing that way at the moment. Yes, you have these sort of sequence of higher lows in the last sort of couple of days, pushing higher again from yesterday. That key reaction low of 52.56 obviously is a key level, and today sort of breaking out and pushing up off 53.30. However, you've seen this sort of intraday turnaround slightly, so I'm not quite backing this move yet as a confirmed breakout. I still think that the bulls have got more work to do, but I'm of the opinion that this is going to be a near-term correction within the sort of bull phase. So within the corrective phase, and it certainly looks like we are having this move out, but it needs a confirmation, and I think you need to see a close ideally above 54.45 today. And if that were to be seen, then yes, you've got this continuation of this near-term bull run, but I still think this is part of this corrective phase, and I would still expect to see a lower high below the 57 figure level. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.